Now, here's a great example of a hash table, and it is simply going to be implemented with a an array or a list or a vector, some container of lists. Typically, this will be a linked list. You can easily use the STL list. And we're going to use a hash function in this case of modding by 7. Any value modded by 7, that's the bucket that it's going to go into. And we'll see in just a bit, whenever we have a collision, meaning there's already an element in that bucket, well, we don't care because we just have a linked list and we will add that element to the linked list and be able to locate it just fine. So here, let's start with trying to insert the value 31. So the key 31 modded by 7, that's going to give us a 3. So we're going to pop this 31 key into the 3 bucket right there, and let's visualize it as a linked list. And there's the first element in that list. All right, next we will see key 9 to enter. So 9 modded by 7 is 2. That goes then into the 2 bucket. Now let's do 36. Modded by 7 is 1. 36 goes there. 42 goes there. 46 goes there into bucket 4. Now we need to insert a 20, and that goes into bucket 6. Now we need to insert key 2, and 2 modded by 7 is 2, but look, we already have an element in the 2 bucket, and that's key number 9, but we don't care in this case because we will simply handle this collision by moving 9 and inserting 2 at the beginning of that linked list, and that makes then that collision very neatly handled. And then we would just continue this. There's 24. We would insert that into the linked list as a new node in bucket 3, and this goes on and on until we need to try something else. Now, to search for a key, that becomes very fast. In this case, we can take any key and let's mod it by 7, and let's go look in that bucket. Well, since the number of buckets is fixed and the number of elements is certainly a lot smaller than in each bucket bin, then the size of those linked lists will all be reasonable, and we can search them quite easy for the key that we're searching for. So in this case, we need to search for a 9. So let's find the hash equivalent. 9 modded by 7 is 2. So this means we'll go to the hash table, we'll look up the key 2, the hash element 2, and now let's go and search for 9. And sure enough, we go and search for that, and we first hit the first element of the linked list. Is it a 2? Nope. So we'll go on. Is that it? Is 9 what we're looking for? Yes, that's it. So then we will just return a reference from that. So a great example, just showing the most common implementation of collisions in a linked list, which is using this chaining.